Hi, I'm Alicia Doss. Today we're going to hear from Ariel, closer in the angelic language. So let's see what message Ariel has for us. Ariel comes in on the color peach or salmon, like the beautiful glow of the sunset. And I relate to her as the angel of creation or creativity. Also can be a patron of the arts. My beautiful humans, realize the realms are merging. The spiritual and the physical, the angelic and the human, the Davic and the angelic, all the realms. Again, this is a very long process, millions if not billions of years, but they are merging, and you are at the inception of that merger. What that simply means is, as you connect to the angelic, for example, the way angels learn is quite different than humans, and opposite, which allows you, as you connect, to access their awareness, their oneness with God, their absolute surrender. And them connecting with you allows them to access the human, sovereign, co-creator state. So as these two creations come together, a more evolved, one could say, holier, more godly being is incepted. This is the value for you to work a bit more closely with the angelic, to open yourself, even if it doesn't make sense yet, to the possibilities, to the probability of walking in a body in a more elevated state with an archangelic assist. Call upon me, call upon all of the archangels. It is our honor and privilege to be conduits of divine intent. Amen.